Finance controller. Finance.
And then I always reflect on life, right? Things happen just the same way. When sometimes you faithful and trust in God, we choose path we think we should take, then we get the journey where we should be. Even you mentioned that your parents are both pastors. You have a passion for teaching, sharing your thoughts and expressing it as well. Have you ever even considered that for yourself?
So my freshman year, I went to Pace University, and I knew that year that actually one of my professors and my friend here, we were in the same class, Shawana, and we had our professor, I think she was our C++ professor, and she saw that in me very early. I was always teaching. I used to teach Sunday school at 12. So it was something that was always in me. I did not necessarily think that it was going to be my direct path, but I started studying for my PhD to become a full-time professor. So at some point I knew I would end up there. I just didn't know what path I would take. So I started doing things to get me there, but it wasn't necessarily how God wanted it to be. So he opened the door.